Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel Ryan's Chemistry Academy. In my channel I am going to create more videos about easy to learn chemistry. So please do support my channel for more chemistry videos. Please subscribe, share and click on the bell icon for getting the notification of my new videos. Hello dear viewers, hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about mixtures. So what is mixtures? In general, the matter classified into two. In the previous video I explained about the classification of matter. Matter classified into two. One is pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance again classified into two, elements and compounds. I explained in the last video, previous video. So another classification is nothing but impure substance. Impure substance, another name is mixture. So in this video I am going to explain about what is mixtures and what are the two type of mixtures. So what is mixtures? How to prepare mixtures? So mixtures is nothing but combination of two or more elements or two or more compounds. They are mixing together physically in any ratio to lead to the formation of mixtures. Air is a very good example for mixture. Milk is an example for mixture. Blood is an example for mixtures. So what is mixtures? So any components present in any ratio to form mixtures. Number of components, number of elements, they are combined together, they are mixing together in any ratio leads to the formation of mixtures. In general, mixtures can be classified into two. One is homogeneous mixtures, another one is heterogeneous mixtures. So two types of mixtures are there. One is homogeneous mixtures, another one is heterogeneous mixtures. So first one, what is homogeneous mixtures? Homo means uniform, hetero means different. So homo means the mixtures having the uniform composition, and also the particle cannot be seen separately in the mixture. That type of mixture called as homogeneous mixtures. Alloy is an example for homogeneous mixture. Milk is an example for homogeneous mixture. So alloy is nothing but mixtures of metal, but all that metal that is a alloys, it is looking like a uniform composition, and also what are all the metals present in the alloys we are not able to see separately. For example, steel is an alloy. So steel is a mixtures of metal. The main component is iron metal. So with iron metal, number of carbon, nickel, chromium, number of metals also there, but as a overall steel is looking like a metal. We are not able to see separately the presence of carbon, nickel and iron. Such type of mixtures called as homogeneous mixture. I gave an example, so you have to consider to prepare the salt solution. Take some amount of water, add small amount of sugar into water. So sugar can easily soluble in water. Finally, you have to get a clear solution. In salt water, every drop of salt water having the uniform composition. So both the solution, both the mixture looking like a liquid. So any drop of salt water have the same taste, same composition, same properties. And also we are not able to see the presence of salt in water in the mixture. We are not able to identify this is salt particle, this is water particle, because both are completely soluble with each other. So such type of mixture called as homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixtures? Hetero means different. So heterogeneous means that mixture contain different composition. The particle can be seen separately in water. So very good example, very easiest example, take small amount of water, add some amount of sand particle into the water. Slowly sand particle settled at the bottom of the mixture. So here in the mixture, sand water mixture, we can able to see the presence of sand particle into water. So they have different composition. One is solid, another one is liquid. Both are visible. We are able to see the presence of water separately. We are able to see the presence of sand particles separately. So that type of mixtures are called as heterogeneous mixtures. So another one example, take 1 cup of milk, add small amount of cornflakes, mixing together. This is also called as a mixture. In cornflakes with milk mixtures, we are able to see the presence of milk and cornflakes separately, and we can feel the different taste of milk and cornflakes separately. They have different composition, different properties, and also in the mixture also we can able to see the particles separately. Such type of mixtures are called as heterogeneous mixture. So number of examples are there for homogeneous. Heterogeneous, with the easiest example I gave the explanation. So mixtures is an impure substance. It can be classified into two, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homo means same composition, hetero means different composition. Here particle cannot be seen because both are completely soluble. Heterogeneous, different composition, particles can be seen separately. So milk and blood also called as a mixture. They are not considered as a pure substance because in milk it contains protein, calcium. So different components they are present in the mixture, that is in the milk. So milk considered as a mixture, but it is a homogeneous mixture. We are not able to see separately this is protein, this is fat. Like blood also. Blood is made up of plasma, RBC, white blood cell. They have different components present in the blood. So blood also called as a mixture. So blood is also a homogeneous mixture. We are not able to see the presence of white blood cell or red blood cell or plasma separately. So blood also called as a homogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures, sand, water. In milk added some candies or added some cornflakes. So they are called as overall. Soil also example for mixture, that is homogeneous mixture. So number of examples are there. So this is about mixture and types of mixture. Hope you are all understand the concept now. Thank you, students. Hope you like this video. So please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.